AN institution is now providing courses of languages, which is very much useful for our kids to develop their confidence. What are the courses we are offering now? We are concentrating on child's development in spellings, readings, and writing skills, which is very important. What is about your handwriting? Handwriting is very important for a child to communicate the thing which is in the mind and heart through the letters. Handwriting provides a basic confidence how the communication through languages improves. So we confidently believe in the student to have a better handwriting, can have a better confidence on their writing skills. Now comes the reading skills. Why is reading very important for a child? Reading gives you the main course of enhancing the vocabulary of a language. Also, reading a story, reading a book gives you an art of developing a story by a child. Reading is always a best language or a best part of a course to introduce a child by the age of 4. We believe in the child to develop through reading, which can enhance the creative knowledge of a child to write their own stories, which make them a better storyteller, story writer, poetry writer, or a poetic. So, these are the areas which we need to touch and explore the languages.